So now let's create a job ad. So you can go into your job, let's just pick one that we're actually using. So we'll go into, let's go to mainframe. Okay, cool. So go into your client, into the job. So you can see here, here's the job, here's the details, all the bits and pieces. You then can go down here, and this is your job ads. So you click here. Now we've already made one before, but let's just say we're starting one from scratch. So click create a new, and you'll see that the reference number, now you need to make this the same as up here, 18574. So make sure that's in here, 574. Now you cannot use the same reference number twice. So if you're using this and you're putting up different ads in different areas, so for example you're doing one for Hamilton, Tauranga, Auckland, just put an H at the end for Hamilton. It'll just give you a quick reference to know that that's the job that's connected to that. Then your short search terms are, in this case it's a hammerhand, you might put builder, just to make sure that that'll use to search. You put your short description, so you basically type in here, why you're going to attract this person to this job, excellent building company, blah blah blah. So you can write anything like that. Your bullet points, make sure you put a star at the start of each one. Great rates. Press enter, put your next star. So you're going to have 3 of these, and then you put your next one. Location. That'll then get people looking at it. Then you put your full job description, and from scratch you have to write the whole thing out. You can either copy one from the actual job. Hopefully in the future this will come in automatically. If you do it once, it'll do it every single time. And then basically you go down here and you pick the sites that you're going to stick it on. So obviously at the moment we only have 2, the website and Trade Me Jobs. Click enter, pick what type of job it is, contract or temp. Obviously it's in the trades and services, and you'd be looking at builder or something like that, carpenter, hammerhand, all sorts of things. You could try different things, and then you pick your region. So as I said, we're going to put this one up in the Waikato, being Hamilton, and then your application email, which will be the person who's actually posting the ad, so that you get the details when they come in. And then down here you put in your details again. So Phil, you put your own phone number, not your home one, your work one, 57.125, and then your application email. So hopefully we can, yet again, we'll try and automate some of this stuff so that it goes by default to the person who's actually doing it. Now don't click featured or general manager role unless you're authorized to, because obviously they can cost extra. You do the same thing again, so you go down to trades and services. This is alphabetical, which makes it a little bit easier, and then you put your building and carpentry, which is right there. And then you do the same again, Hamilton, Waikato, just down the bottom here, bang, and do contract. You pay benefits, $25 an hour, something like that, just to get people looking. 25k is not going to be a very good one, PH/H, and it's an hourly rate, so make sure you do that, and then you do your ranges. So although you might say it's $25, put that as your minimum, and then put your next step up to 30. So yet again, you're attracting people, doesn't mean that they're going to get paid this. And then basically click save, and then that ad will go up. So I won't click save, I will go back and we'll act like it has gone up, because you'll see here it is here, except it is not the one that we actually did. Now there is another way. If you have an ad, so for example if I did actually make that Hamilton ad, and here it was sitting here, and basically I want to just copy that, I double click on it, it brings all the details up, I just hit copy at the top. So what it does is it drags everything in from the one that we just made before. You can change the reference number, so this time I'm putting it in Auckland, I'll put an A at the end. Yet again, it's my own, you can do whatever you like as long as you change that reference number, because it won't put the same one twice. You use the two websites here, you press enter details, you go through this all again, and you press save, and then that will say that it's posted and it'll pop up. But we won't do that because obviously we don't need to. But that's how you post ads on the new Recruit Me. Any issues, just give us a ring. Thanks for your time.